Good morning, dear students. Today we are starting a new chapter number 2. The name of this chapter is CPU. We all aware about CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. And also we aware about this CPU. It is the most important part of computer. Why it is called the most important part of a computer? Because it is a brain part of a computer. It is a brain part of a computer. Again I tell you, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Why it is called the Central Processing Unit? Because in the functions of computer, in a working method of computer, CPU present at a center part. We all aware about the functions of computer. The functions of computer depends on IPU cycle. IPU cycle means input, process and output. So here in input, process and output, the processing part are present at a center part, right? It is present at a center part, at a processing part, input, process and output. Okay. Now this is all a basic information of CPU. Now we starting our chapter number 2 about detailing in a CPU. So here CPU controls the entire functions of the computer, right? CPU controls the entire function. They control all the functions of computer because it is a processing part. It is a brain part. That's why it is control the each parts of a computer function. They control each and every part, data and program. Okay. So whatever the instruction given by us with any type of input devices that can be processed in a CPU. That's why here they control the entire functions of computer. Each functions of computer controlled by CPU. That's why it is called the brain of computer. Okay. CPU processes the input according to the instruction given to prepare the information. Right. If we want to get any type of information, maybe it is a video, music, video game, any type of picture, data, right? So whatever information we want to get, so first we input our idea into a computer. So according to our instruction, CPU started their processing. After preparing all the information that was we entered, it is sended to us with the help of output device, right? So CPU processes all the different functions, whatever the instruction given by us, that can be processed with the help of CPU. Okay. So now we will discuss a detail about each part of CPU. So before going to a functions of CPU, we will discuss two most important part of CPU. Here the first one is circuit. Circuit is a small electronic parts. You can see here in this picture this small pieces of circuit. It is looking like a traffic cars. It is looking like our traffic car. जैसे ट्रैफिक के अंदर बहुत सी कार खड़ी है, right? This all small electronic parts are called a circuit. These all small electronic parts are called a circuit, which are connected to each other. You can see here, these all circuits are connected to each other. I will show you again. You can see here, these all circuits are connected to each other. First one are connected to second are connected with third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In this way they connected with each part of circuit. Okay. These small circuits are connected to each other and they prepare a path. For flow of current. We prepare a path. Path means a way. रास्ता, जिसे हम रास्ता कहते हैं, that is called a path. They prepare a path for transferring a current. You can see here they prepare a path. This is a different path they prepare for transferring a current. Okay. So circuit is used for prepare a path for flow of current, for passing of current, for transferring of current. Okay, so this is all our work of circuit that are present in inside of CPU box. Now the second one is chip. Chip is a small piece of silicon. You can see here a small piece of silicon. Wait, I will show you. Here is a small piece of silicon. This is also a small piece of silicon which are present at the center part of a motherboard. Okay, this small piece of chip are made up from silicon. That's why it is also called a small piece of silicon on which many electronic circuits are fixed. Right, you can see here there are so many electronic circuits are surrounding by this chip. This is all given a path for passing a electric current. We already know that these circuits are used to flow of current, right? These circuits are used to prepare a path for passing a electric current, and this electric current are passing at chip. Okay, so chip is a small piece of silicon. Chip is a small piece of silicon on which many electronic circuits are fixed. Okay, so these both parts are the most important parts inside a CPU box. Okay, so we will ending our session here. In next session we will meet with the detailed information of about CPU. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care.